Understanding spousal maintenance, a key concept in divorce proceedings. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's not only important in legal contexts but also deeply relevant to many people's lives: spousal maintenance. Whether you're interested in legal English or just expanding your vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and implications of spousal maintenance together. Spousal maintenance, often referred to as alimony in some jurisdictions, is a financial support that one spouse is legally obligated to provide to the other during or after a marital separation or divorce. This concept is based on the recognition that both partners have an obligation to support each other financially during their marriage, and this obligation may continue even if the marriage ends. The purpose of spousal maintenance is to mitigate any unfair economic effects of a divorce by providing a continuing income to a non-wage earning or lower wage earning spouse. This ensures that both individuals can maintain a standard of living reasonably comparable to what they enjoyed during their marriage, at least for a transitional period. Determining spousal maintenance involves several factors, and the laws can vary significantly from one place to another. However, some common considerations include duration of the marriage. Longer marriages may result in longer periods of maintenance. Financial resources of both spouses, including their earning capacities and assets. Standard of living during the marriage. Age, physical, and emotional condition of the spouse seeking maintenance. Ability of the paying spouse to meet their own needs while paying maintenance. Courts aim to achieve fairness and prevent financial disparity between the divorcing parties, considering these and other relevant factors. Spousal maintenance can be categorized into different types based on its duration and purpose. Temporary maintenance, provided during the divorce proceedings. Permanent maintenance, continues indefinitely until the recipient remarries, either party dies, or a court order ends it. Rehabilitative maintenance, aimed at supporting a spouse until they can become self-sufficient, often through education or job training. Each type serves a specific purpose, focusing on the immediate or long-term needs of the spouse requiring support. Spousal maintenance is a topic of much debate. Critics argue that it can discourage self-sufficiency and create ongoing conflicts. Supporters believe it is crucial for protecting economically disadvantaged spouses. Modern trends show a move towards rehabilitative maintenance, emphasizing the goal of helping the receiving spouse become financially independent. We hope this video has shed some light on the complex yet important concept of spousal maintenance. Understanding such legal terms not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you navigate or comprehend situations that might affect you or someone you know. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to navigating life's challenges. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay curious, and keep learning.